Good afternoon. Today we are going to go over volume, and this week we worked on packages just like this, and we pretended that each one of these were toys and they came in different shapes and sizes. So what the students did first is they had a piece that looked like this. They had to cut it out, then fold it. This is the base. Then we had sides that we had to tape on, and they came up with a box that looked something similar to this. So then what the students had to do is they had to discover, okay, how many of these can I fit in a box without going over the top? So it can't fit like this because we wouldn't be able to shut the box. So the students discovered that if I flip it on the bottom, I can figure out the base. So I can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this, but it can only be stacked one item high. So, one item high. So the volume, or how many would fit, how many of this shaped item would fit in this box would be 6. Then we looked at this shape. Students did the same thing. They went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they looked there, and then they said, okay, how many high can I go? And that was 1, 2, 3. So they did 8 times 3, which is 24. Another thing they could have done is gone like this. Because it's 3 high, they could have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and realized it's the same way. So they can stack it like this, or they could do it like that. Then we also had a shape like this. They realized that there were similarities between this and this. They both had a base of 4, so they could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and because it was 3 high, then only 6 could fit in there. They also looked at something like this and decided, okay, how can I fit this in? So they are learning about base times height. They also learned that volume equals length times width times height, but that the volume doesn't change, and that length, width, and height, really, it doesn't matter what order they're in. It just matters that we have those 3 numbers whenever we're trying to find volume. Have a great weekend, and next week we'll have another video on volume.